Hi, Annissa here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Annissa video column. And this week I got an email from someone in the industry, and I'm not going to mention names or where they're from or their company because it was kind of a sensitive subject, but it's something that I really wanted to talk about today with you guys. And that's about women in our industry and them getting the respect, if you will, that they deserve. And this person has been in the industry for quite a while, and she was expressing her upset that she has a very difficult time in her company getting, especially the men that work there, to listen to her or to take direction from her. She runs the contents division there in the company, and they just feel like when she says, hey, something needs to be done this way or just so, that they feel like it's just her being picky and nagging, if you will. So first off, I'm real sorry that you're experiencing that in the company that you're working for. And I hope you feel comfortable enough that you can go and speak to your boss or the owner of the company if your direct boss, doesn't listen to you, and be able to express on a professional level what's happening, because that's not right. That's not how it should be, regardless of whether you're female or male or whatever. And it's not good for you or the company. So definitely please go and talk with your manager, someone who can help to hopefully deal with this situation in your company. And you know what? If you don't get a good response from that person, well, there'd be several things you could do, but number one, I wouldn't work there. If the management in that company is not going to respect your position and support you, then I wouldn't be working there. I would go somewhere where they appreciate and would support my efforts. That being said, I really want to say, in this industry, in the restoration industry, it has been in years past primarily male dominated. And I remember 18 years ago when I came into the industry, I was one of very few women on our side of the state that even went out to job sites. And I remember I had to overcome a lot with the male counterparts that I worked with and that I went out on jobs with, like adjusters. When they would see a woman come out on a job, they were just like, oh, where's your boss? Where's the person in charge? So that was really tough. And within the industry, it was a little bit difficult because being taken seriously as a woman, whether you're teaching or you were, selling equipment or a supplier, was tough in years past. I absolutely going to say that. But what I will say is this industry is full of incredible men and women. And I just really don't feel like that is a huge problem in our industry. We have a lot of men who, women have respect in our industry. We are business owners. We I know women-only restoration companies. Like, women are the only ones that work there. Carpet cleaning companies. There's a lot of teachers in the industry that are women and highly respected. And I just think that, if you're experiencing this problem or this issue where, you being a woman, you feel is hindering your progress in the company that you're working for, the people you're working with, change the company you're working for or the people you're working with. Because in this industry, I don't believe that is a huge problem. Look, are there some out there that still have some old ways of thinking? Yes, and I'm not naive, and I know that does exist. But as a whole, this industry embraces women. This industry embraces the unique abilities that we can bring as women to the cleaning and restoration industry as a whole. And it embraces the strength and the knowledge that so many women bring into the educational systems here in the industry. So I don't feel that it's this prevalent, this big prevailing problem within our industry is what I'm trying to tell you. And I want you to know that you shouldn't have to work under those conditions. So If you aren't getting a response from your manager or the owner of your company, then I would highly recommend you reach out and find a restoration company that you can work for that will appreciate you for your skills and abilities. And it won't matter that you're a woman or not, because that shouldn't matter. So, and again, I just want to say I love this industry, and the men that we work with as women in the industry, as a general rule, have a lot of respect and appreciation for the unique abilities that we can bring to help enhance and create more diversity within our industry and bringing value. So anyway, I know that can be kind of a tough topic, might have made some of you a little uncomfortable. If you have experienced, good things that you feel being a woman in the industry has done for you, please, I'd love to get an email from you and hear from you. My email is annissa@firehouseeducation.com. And if you are experiencing difficulties and you feel that you're not being heard in your company, especially if you're in a supervisory management position, please reach out to me as well, because I would like to share with you privately, as I will with the person that sent this question in to me about getting respect in the industry, that I don't want to necessarily put out on camera, but I would like to share that with you. I just want to say that I appreciate all of the men and women in this industry for all of the value that they bring, and to not only our clients and the industry as a whole, but to each of us as restoration contractors and educators. All right, well, on that note, please be sure and send me your questions, Annissa@firehouseeducation.com. Remember, this video Ask Annissa series is for you, so I am here to answer your questions, whatever they may be, about restoration, business, contents, family, whatever. And I will see you on next week's Ask Annissa video follow-up.